Are you looking for that one car? It doesn't matter where you go, either the Friday night cruise-in or the car shows. Everyone is going to envy you for having it. This is it. 1969 Camaro, Yenko Tribute. Now, that being said, everything on the car is proper for the Yenko. How about power? How about a ZZ 427, 480 horsepower, 490 horsepower to the ground, to the rear wheels. Oh, is that unbelievable? Now, how about go with the Richmond 5-speed transmission? This is the Super Street, so you get the overdrive. Rock solid, can handle that power. GM 12 bolt. The list will go on. I could stand here all day and tell you about the details of the car. But instead, let's get to the video. We'll do the full walk around. You're going to have tons of questions, so you're going to have to call me. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow me on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's get to this gorgeous Camaro. Now we're going to look at the heater switches. Very smooth, no binding at all. Locks into place, nice, nice. Fan speeds, I can hear each one of them click and lock into place as they should. That's our vent, I can hear that opening and closing. There's a cold, I can hear that opening and closing. And there we are. Very nice. As you can hear, she is running. We're going to check the defrost. We're going to put some heat to it. We're going to hit our fans here. The defrost is working very well. So now we're going to turn this up. We're going to leave it on the heat. And yes, the heat does work nicely. Oh yes, very nice. Let's get some fresh air in here. The fan does turn off. This would be for cruising. I do like it. Everything is working. There is nothing like a new build. All the details are perfect. Everything works on the car. The amount of clear on this car is incredible. Oh, she just glows in the sunlight. If you are truly a fan of the Yenko and you want a Camaro that everybody's going to have to stop and see, this is the car. It is at that level. I know you have tons of questions. So my name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow me on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching. I will see you at our next video.